Hello, good morning, all of you students. Today, our class is for the second semester. Second semester grammar topic prefixes and suffixes. This is a very simple topic to the students. Why we want to learn the grammar? But what is the importance of a grammar? Every subject has its own significance. But in our English is a very elaborated. Why? Because it's a international language. It's a international language. It's a link language. It's a computerized language. It's a mobile language. All that aspects are relation with the English. That's why we want to learn the English with interesting, with understanding, and with a future purpose. That's why every grammar topic is very essential for the purpose of personal and purpose of higher education and purpose of future. That's why we want to learn the grammar. Okay, in the second semester we have a small topic, prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes. This may ask the for 5 marks. I will show you a text message or a text picture. You see okay, prefixes and suffixes. In linguistics, an affix is an morpheme. Affix is an morpheme that is attached to the word stem to form a new word or a word form. An affix can either be prefix or suffix. Affix is a prefix or suffix to form a new word or another word. That is the we affix either be a prefix or suffix. Prefixes and suffixes are sets of letters that are added to the beginning prefix or at the end of the another word suffix. At the end of the another word suffix. They are not words in their own right and cannot stand on their own in a sentences. If they are printed on their own, they have a hyphen before or a after them. An affix can either be inflectional or derivational. An affix can either be inflectional or derivational. Okay, what is prefixes? Prefixes are added to the beginning of an existing word in order to create a new word or with a different or an opposite meaning. Prefixes are added to the beginning of an existing word in order to create a new word with a different or an opposite meaning. Example, happy. We will add the un, it making a new word unhappy. That is the opposite of the happy. That is the opposite meaning of the happy. Happy is the enjoyment moment, unhappy is the not enjoyment moment. Those are the meaning and opposite meaning. And meaning of the prefix un, not opposite of, contrary to, or reverse. Undo, to remove, to release, to deprive, to deprive. Able, unable. Affordable, unaffordable. Worthy, unworthy. Believable, unbelievable. Comfort, comfortable, uncomfortable. In this way, we want to write these so many meanings or so many words like a manageable, imaginable, unimaginable. You add these some words like a unloading, pleasant, unpleasant, real, unreal, safe, unsafe, shooted, unshooted, title, untitled, wanted, unwanted, acceptable, unacceptable, clean, unclean, common, uncommon, desirable, undesirable, lucky, unlucky, reasonable, unreasonable, well, unwell, accompanied, unaccompanied, aware, unaware, unbolt, bolt, uncertain, certain, aware, unaware, covered, uncover, finish, unfinish, reliable, unreliable, usual, unusual, willing, unwilling, ending, unending, breakable, unbreakable, connected, unconnected.
బ్యూటిఫుల్ అన్బ్యూటిఫుల్ వస్తుంది.
అంటే ఏ టు జెడ్ రికార్డ్ అయింది మాట్లాడదు. You decided, undecided, forgettable, unforgettable. Okay, next meaning of the prefix dis, not, none, opposite of, absence of, separate, to, put out, or places, put out of a places. A, absence, disable, disproportionate, disproportionate, disadvantage, advantage, disadvantage, agree, disagree, appear, disappear, appoint, disappoint, approve, disapprove, assemble, dissemble, disassemble, courage, discourage, please, displease, display, obey, disobey. In this way, you have to prepare and you have to read the words and you have to write your own new words, your own form a new words. And another one, anti, ant, anti, meaning of the prefix anti, before, antenatal, before birth, antenatal means birth of the before, and antedate, the date before, ante room, waiting room before a main room, ante, ante room means waiting room, anti-meridian, before known, anti-meridian means before the known, and antenuptial, coming before a marriage. Next, and meaning of the prefix anti, the opposite or a beginning against a something, prevention, antibiotic, antidepressant, antidote, antisocial, anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise, antibodies, antivirus, antibody, antithesis, antiseptic lotion. Next, meaning of the prefix co with a together, co-worker, co-author, co-pilot, cooperation, co-education, coexist. In this way, meaning of the prefix disagree, disappear, disintegrate, disapprove, disorder, dislike, disqualify, disclose, etc. Next, meaning of the prefix is im, possible, impossible, pleasant, unpleasant, moral, immoral, mature, immature. And in this way, meaning of the prefix is ex, ex means farmer or out of, ex-president, ex-minister, ex-student, ex-PM, ex-MLA, like that. Meaning of the prefix extra, extracurricular, extraordinary, extraterrestrial, extrapolate, extensory. Meaning of the prefix ill, illiterate, illegal, irresponsible, mature. In this way, micro, meaning of the prefix is micro or small. Micro means small. Microphone, microbiology, microwave, micrograin, microgram. Meaning of the prefix is miss, M-I-S. Wrongly, miss means wrongly. Misunderstand, don't misunderstand. Misbehave, misdirect, misconduct, mismatch. Pre, meaning of the pre అంటే before. Pre means before. Prefix, fixed before something in front of the word. Front of the word. Predomain, preview, preview of the print. Pretext, precaution. In this way we will add the prefixes. And what is the suffix? And what is the suffix? Okay, suffixes are added to the ending of an existing word in order to create a new word with a different meaning. Suffixes are added to the ending of the existing word in order to create a new word with a different meaning. There is a change. There is a change of part of speech in derivational suffixes. Derivational suffixes. Example, quick plus ly, quickly. By adding ly to the root word quick, the adjective has become a adverb. Adjective has become a adverb. Tree plus s, trees. By adding s to the root word or a root of the word tree, there is a no change in meaning. Thus it is an inflectional suffix. Inflectional suffix. Tree is the singular, trees are the plural. In that way the meaning of the word is changes. Some more examples we want to see. Able and ible suffixes made the meaning of the prefix. The meaning of the prefix able, ible, capable of being, capable of being. Applicable, accountable, connectable, appreciable, dissolvable, serviceable, believable, credible, acceptable, comfortable, tangible, faceable, etc. ANC and ENC, meaning of the suffix. Meaning of the suffix ANC or ENC, state of quality of, maintenance, assurance, appearance, existence, occurrence, patience, preference, reference. Meaning of the suffix dome, please or state of being. Kingdom, freedom, boredom, dukedom, gangsterdom. And meaning of the suffix er, or ist, or ist. One who. Teach is the meaning of the word. We will add the er, teacher. Paint, painter. Drive, driver. Made of the new word. Made of the new word is train, trainer, cater, caterer, counsel, counselor, sail, sailor, narrate, narrator, audit, auditor, collect, collector. Okay, this is a useful to your English also. Your classroom English also very very important. How to make the new words and how to change the meaning of the root word. Root word, you will add the meaning when we are adding the prefix or suffixes. Okay, I will show you how to make the examples in the form of the meaning of the suffix ism, doctrine, belief. Ism means ism. Ism means doctrine or belief. Communism, humanism, alcoholism, magnetism, absenteeism, socialism. Okay, in this way, meant, meaning of the suffix meant, condition of advertisement, establishment, argument. You are always argument with the parents and teachers. That is, don't go to that. That is very harmful to you. Punishment, entertainment. Meaning of this suffix is ness, the state of being. Happiness, happy, happiness. Always be happiness. Don't be unhappiness. Brightness. Anywhere happiness, your face will be brightness. Otherwise, less than brightness. Faithfulness, always faithfulness. Don't say lies. Craftness, darkness. Location, direction, generation, felicitation. Okay, meaning of the suffix is ship, position held, chairmanship, ownership, scholarship, hardship, township, citizenship. These are the other words of the suffixes. Okay, one of the example of the given the questions, I will show you the picture how they are asked the or how we are making the answers in our examination model. They are asked in this way: choose from the given list, fill in which right prefix or suffix in the following blanks. You cannot just believe the story, and the plot is also dash believable, unbelievable. Care dash driving brings so many problems. Careless driving brings so many problems. Careful driving, you will reach the safely to your place. I missed her company. She dash appeared. I missed her company. She disappeared. Nobody will work in your office if you don't give. Nobody will work in your office if you don't give agreement. Why could I understood you? Why could I misunderstand you? Okay, all of you students, you will prepare in this way, and you will read the all which are the examples in your material. You go through it material and you prepare yourself, which is the adding of the ending, starting of the word or ending of the word. That is the meaningful word. That is the when you are preparing, when you are making the new word or writing the prefix or suffix, that is that must be it's a meaningful word, that must be it's a understandable word, that must be it's a understandable, that is the very very important. And when it is a less or otherwise you will be loss, otherwise you will be a loss. You don't go for that, you don't go for that, the misunderstanding of the word, misunderstanding of the word. All of you be careful on your examinations, and you have to prepare yourself with a interesting, and don't go fall the neglecting on examinations. For neglected you are fail and your life will be spoiled. When you are preparing, when you are gaining the knowledge, it will be very fruitful or it will be very useful in your future. That is the most important. And then when you are making the prefix or suffixes, you will see very understandable and very easy to write the exam answers to the examination, and it's very easy to get the high score in the grammar. It's a very simplest words, it's a simplest words, and it's a very meaningful to the grammar, or very meaningful to the learner. Okay, every student must be prepare yourself and practice yourself, then otherwise you will be very eligible to the learning. When you are prepared the lessons very easy, and then you get the good marks, you can get the good marks. When you are not prepare well, it's give you importance to the learning. When you are not given to the importance to learning, you will be lost the in future, you will be lost the in future, otherwise. We will learn the prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes. In linguistics, an affix is a morpheme. An affix is a morpheme that is attached to a word stem to form a new word or a word form. An affix can either be a prefix or a suffix. Prefixes and suffixes are sets of letters that are added to the beginning prefix or at the end of another word suffix. They are not words in either own right and cannot stand or their own in a sentence. If they are printed on their own, they have a hyphen before or after them. An affix can either be inflectional or derivational. Prefixes. Prefixes are added to the beginning of an existing word in order to create a new word with a different or an opposite meaning. Prefixes are added to the beginning of an root word or an existing word in order to create a new word with a different or an opposite meaning. Example: happy, unhappy. And what are the suffixes? Suffixes are added to the ending of an existing or a root word in order to create a new word with a different meaning. There is a change a part of speech in a derivational suffixes. Example: quick. This is the root word plus ly, quickly. By adding ly to this root quick, the adjective has become a adverb. Tree, trees. Baby, babies. When we are making the plurals, when we are adding the suffixes. That is the most important. That is the most important. Every student, you must be understood and you must be prepared. You must be prepared for the examination. It will be very useful to your examinations or it will be your future. And when you are not careful, you are on your examinations, then you will be lost or then you will be fail in your examination. It's a very interested, very interested, and getting knowledge is a more important. Getting knowledge is a more important than to the others. The most of the students, your practice and your gaining of the knowledge is also most important. That is the most valuable to the students and that is the most preferable to the students. Every individual of students, you have to make yourselves the practices and go making the Making the practice is very very important, and you have to practice yourself. That is the most important, and then utilize the yourself for the gaining of the knowledge. And practice makes a perfect man. When you are practicing the grammar or practicing the writing, you will be a good man. You will be a good man. Otherwise, you will be failed. You will be failed in the examinations. You will be failed in the examinations. Every student, you have to prepare yourself and you have to practice the grammar. Otherwise, you will be lost the grammar. Then it's a most important for the examination. Without preparation, you didn't get the full idea of the examination, or you didn't get the full answers. But when it's a grammar you are practiced, it's the simplest way to answering the questions. It's the simplest way to answering the questions. Then you will be get the good answers. You will be get the good answers to the your practiceness. That is the most important for the sessions. Most important for the sessions. It will be very easy to get the idea of the grammar. Idea of the grammar. Okay, this is the matter to the your grammar topic, prefixes and suffixes for the following examples, and you will be understood the how to write the or how to make the meaningful to the meaningful of the answerings, meaningful answerings to the your questions. That is the very very important in the examination pattern. When it's a simplest questions, or when it's a simplest the making the good score, in your for your papers. Okay, this is the most important gaining of the very simple to the answering of the questions, or very simple to the write the answers. Just you have to make a prefix or suffix to the following words, which are the given your question words. It's a very easy to answer. Which are the making a new word, that is the very easy to write answer. Easy to write the answer. When you are prepared the new word, that is the very understandable or very meaningful word, it's a important, then you get the good marks. Otherwise you lost the marks. Okay, all of you, all the good luck for your examination, and you have to be aware and brief for the examinations, and all of you always always prepare for the examination, and don't neglect the studies, and don't be lost the marks. But grammar marks are the getting the grammar marks is the very easy. But when you prepare the a lengthy answer, you must write the full lengthy answer. But it's a grammar when you are prepared, just it's a one word or it's a one sentence, easy to write. When you are understood the student, when you are understand the sentence, then you have to write the very easy to answer. That is the most important for the gaining of the knowledge. Okay, all of you be careful and be prepared and be awareness on the examinations for your future purpose. Every student must be prepared. Every student must be prepared the a lengthy answers, and you prefer the a good manner of the candidature, a good manner of the candidature for the your responsibilities. If you are failed in the examination, you will lose the time and money and your concentration also. Very easy to pass the graduation. Very easy to pass the graduation when you are preparing to the very simple daily 1 hour or more than 2 hours is a very interesting, very interesting. You will be careful and you will be prepared and you will be practice the goodness for the prepare preferring the examinations. You are always be punctual and be prepared for the examination, and you don't waste of your time, and you have to prepare what are the topics to your examination, and what are the importance to the future purpose also, which are the grammar is a very important for the your next classes. After the graduation also you have to prepare the grammar for the competitive purpose in the headset, in the dead set, in the constable, or in the VRO, or in the other groups, group 1, group 2 notifications. Every exam has their own significance, in the police constable, in the railway constables has a grammar topics. There is a subject in English. There is a subject the English. It's a very important for the future. Very important for the future purpose. You will be prepared and you will be gaining the knowledge. You will be gaining the knowledge for the future. Otherwise, you will be neglecting the studies. You will be lost your future and you will be lost the graduation. Every one of you preferable to the practiceness. Every one of the preferable to the practiceness for the examinations, and it's a important for the future. It's important for the future. Every individual making the practice session for the examination is essential before the examinations. Or you have to enlighten yourself also, very important. When you know the grammar, or when you know the understanding of the grammar, you will be choose, or you will be realize yourself, and you will be explain to your juniors. And it will be very important for the future also. All of you, good luck, and all of you maintaining a good result.